Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blur the faces or the backgrounds in CapCut, perfect for a privacy or cinematic feels. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut and start a new project. Then add your video to the timeline and tap overlay. Then choose the same video clip again and resize it to match. Then tap the overlay clip. Then scroll bottom menu and select effects. Then click on the video effects, then click basic, then apply the blur effect. To blur only a face or part of the background, tap mask, then choose a shape like circle or rectangle and position it over the area you want to blur. Then adjust the feathering and the size for a smooth look. And for the moving faces, you can use a keyframes to follow the subject throughout the video. And that's how you blur faces or backgrounds in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more quick editing tips. Thanks for watching.